Here we are at 12942 Stahelin. Nice quiet corner block. Grassy over there. I would love this front porch if it were mine. Sit right there. Security doors. Look at the pretty hardwood. And it's all freshly painted. We've got a bunch of windows on order that are on their way here any minute now. And look at the brand new kitchen. Isn't that nice? And I'll show you the bathroom. Okay, here's the bathroom, new vanity. Bedroom. Let's go upstairs. Brand new doors. See all the new doors in here. That's always nice. New doors, new doorknobs. So, if I'm correct, the carpet's not replaced. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, we got to replace the carpet. We would not rent this with nasty carpet. But carpet's always like the last thing. They never let me get my photos, videos, nothing until like move-in day. That's when the carpet will be all brand new. So don't look at this carpet. Imagine pretty new carpet. And ooh, nice deep closet with drawers even. All right, let's go down to the basement. New furnace. This could be a nice area over here. You know that it's walled where the stairs are. At least there's a wall there. That's nice. And then over here is a gas hookup for your dryer. A little storage area under there. And everything's been done. We always update the electric, the plumbing. We don't like repair calls, so we do as much as we can so you don't get them. So tenants, I don't think like them either. So if you are interested in this, we rent to Section 8 only. You have to have a 3-bedroom voucher for this to work for you. Give me a call and we'll talk about it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, it helps. And be the first to see my next house tours.